Don't find fault, find a remedy. Anybody can complain.
The only real mistake is the one from which we learn nothing. Obstacles are those frightful things you see when you take your eyes off your goals. Vision without execution is just hallucination. When everything seemed to be going against you, remember that the airplane takes off against the wind, not with it. Coming together is the beginning. Keeping together is progress. Working together is success. Failure is the opportunity to begin again, only more intelligently. I cannot discover that anyone knows enough to say definitely what is and what is not possible. The natural thing to do is to work, to recognize that prosperity and happiness can be obtained only through honest effort. If money is your hope for independence, you will never have it. The only real security that a man will have in this world is a reserve of knowledge, experience, and ability. And when a man is really at work, he needs no title. His work honors him. Any man can learn anything he will, but no man can teach except to those who want to learn. That man is best educated who knows the greatest number of things that are so, and who can do the greatest number of things to help and heal the world. The only prosperity the people can afford to be satisfied with is the kind that lasts. The short successes that can be gained in a brief time and without difficulty, are not worth much. Most people think that faith means believing something. Oftener it means trying something, giving it a chance to prove itself. There is safety in small beginnings and there is unlimited capital in the experience gained by growing. The partnership of mind and matter is one which has existed since the beginning of time and cannot be dissolved. Greatest thing in life is experience. Even mistakes have value. I don't know anybody so old he can't do something useful. Just give them a chance and see. We are here for experience, and experience is a preparation to know the truth when we meet it. Competition whose motive is merely to compete, to drive some other fellow out, never carries very far.